Creativity is a wild mind with a disciplined eye. Hey everybody, this is Akshit Manhotra and welcome to Pick a Book. Today I'm going to review the Smartivity mechanical hand. That's a great name, Smartivity, the mixture of two words, smart and activity. Talking about this hand, this is a STEM-based toy which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. Moreover, it's an eco-friendly toy. That means 90% of this hand is made up of wood. Furthermore, this hand improves your cognitive abilities, cognitive skills, your motor skills, and also improves your mental health. Well, they recommend this toy for girls and boys for above age 8. And I believe you can give this gift to anyone, even your grandparents, because this improves their mental health, which is necessary for them. And this hand comes in this box. And you have to make this by your own. They give you wooden sheets with different parts and many other things to make this hands. So you have to make this hands, and that's fun too because this then is a DIY project. And this hand is based on biomimicry. Biomimicry stands for, it is the process in which you observe the nature and transform the things nature does into an artificial way. So you watch how the hand works and transform it to a mechanical hand. That's fun, right? So if you want to improve your cognitive abilities, your motor skills, and improve your mental health, I recommend you to go with this toy, the Smartivity mechanical hand. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.